everybody, this is Katrina. I have another little girl's basket here that I've finished. And this is a Paw Patrol with the little girl on the front of the book. So I used the jumbo coloring book for Paw Patrol. There's also a Paw Patrol puzzle in there. Activity sets, Uno cards, paddle set, chalkboards, sidewalk chalk, and airheads. Of course, all of our treats are in there, plus the gumball machine and the Pez that I got today at Dollar General for 13 cents. Rice Krispie treats, ices. It is loaded with lots of fun. There's a jump rope in there, and I think a little girl will really enjoy this basket. Tell me what you think down in the comments. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for tuning in to the Crafty Corner. Remember what I always say, be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.